I'm Sydney.
And I'm Kendall.
And welcome to the Sassy Sister Show. Today we are making Christmassy popcorn. It's got popcorn and chocolate and more chocolate and some pretzels and some M&Ms. Ooh, and then it falls on the floor. All right, to make this festive popcorn, first we need corn. Now we're gonna heat it to high temperatures with hot air. Kendall will play the maraca while I make this popcorn. Go, popcorn, go!
Go, 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 go!
Now we have popped our popcorn. We are going to lay it out on this cookie sheet covered in waxed paper. Wax paper. If you see any kernels, make sure you pick them off. We've taken some candy melts of various colors and melted them into these Ziploc bags and drizzle. Maybe we should have just done one color at a time because this is kind of confusing. Okay, Kendall's gonna do that. Now I'm gonna start sprinkling on some M&Ms. Those were all red and those were all green. Okay, they're all red. I'll get these pretzels. So we took some of our pretzel rods and we crushed them up so they're in little pretzel pieces. To work quickly before the chocolate melts. No, before the chocolate unmelts.
And the chocolate.
Chocolate anti-melts.
It'll be like snow.
And we'll drizzle that on top too. To seal it all in.
This is so unhealthy.
Christmas isn't healthy. It's like Christmas threw up on a plate. Now we put it in the fridge so it can cool down faster. And we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, now our popcorn has come out of the fridge. It's been there for about 10 minutes and you can see it has hardened. Like I lift up the whole thing. Grab that side. Woo! Ah! Okay, now we're gonna break it up into little pieces and stick it into the bowl. Look at that. Look at that popcorn. We made something successfully.
Wow.
Woo!
Make a fire.
You can't make a fire with candy canes.
Make a fire.
You can't make a fire with candy canes.
Fire! Hey everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe and do all the goodiness in the world because it's Christmas!
Click over there to see some of our other videos and also check out my website, sydneyfaith.com, to learn more about my book. I hope you enjoyed this video, so goodbye.
I'm an old lady.
Christmas. Festiveness!